In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradovate to Tradingview. If you're a trader looking to streamline your workflow and make the most out of your trading tools, connecting your Tradovate account to Tradingview is a game changer. By linking these two platforms, you can manage trades, monitor the market, and access your account details all in one place. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you don't already have a Tradovate account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is ensure that you have a Tradovate account set up and that you're logged in. This is important because being logged in allows for a smooth connection process between Tradovate and Tradingview. Without this step, you could run into unnecessary issues later on, so double check that you're signed in. Next, open a new browser tab and sign into your Tradovate account. This helps ensure that there are no problems with permissions or login credentials when you begin the connection process. It's always better to confirm your login details early so you're not troubleshooting midway through. Once you've done that, open Tradingview in your browser. Now we're ready to get started with the connection process within Tradingview itself. Take a look at the bottom of your Tradingview screen. You'll want to locate the trading panel. Now keep in mind that the trading panel might not be immediately visible when you first load the page. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll or explore the bottom area of the interface. Once you find it, click on the trading panel to expand the list of available brokerages and trading services. From here, you'll need to search for or scroll through the list to find the Tradovate icon. Depending on the number of services listed, it might take a moment, but don't rush. Once you spot the Tradovate icon, click on it to initiate the connection process. This step tells Tradingview that you'd like to link your Tradovate account. You'll see a prompt to connect. Go ahead and click the connect button when it appears. At this point, a pop-up window may appear asking for your Tradovate login credentials. Enter the same login details you used earlier to sign into your Tradovate account. If you see any permission prompts, make sure to review and accept them to proceed. After submitting your login details, the connection process will begin. This may take a few moments depending on factors like your internet speed or system traffic, so be patient while the platforms sync up. Finally, once the connection is complete, you'll want to verify that everything is working properly. Check if you can place trades, manage orders, and view your account balance directly within Tradingview. This is your confirmation that the integration was successful and you're ready to trade seamlessly between the two platforms. And that's it. You've now connected Tradovate to Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.